Welcome back everyone, ggkickzz here. Today we got a Nike SB. These are the St. Patrick's Day. This is a very clean colorway. I was able to pick these up size 12. I believe these released around March 5th, but my skate shop had them for a raffle about 2 weeks ago, because every skate shop is really different. These haven't seen a sneakers drop yet. We're gonna be talking about the materials, the resale value. We're gonna show you the on-foot footage later on, and we're gonna be talking about this sneaker, and let me know what you guys' opinions are before we open it. So purple box, no rainbow box for this release because it wasn't a quick strike release. This was just a regular skate shop release. So that's why you get the purple box. You have the bamboo style paper on the inside. I already laced these bad boys up because the green just doesn't do it for me. The white though, looks super clean. Just throw it off to the side and boom, there you have it. This is the Nike SB. St. Patrick's Day for 2022. You have the 4-leaf clover, and then you have this nice shiny reflective gold, metallic gold Nike swoosh, and that's what you notice most, the 4-leaf clover and the gold Nike swoosh on there. And like I said, I like the white laces better just because it gives it that nice contrast look with the midsole. You have the white midsole there and it just gives it, you know, more color. All this green doesn't really do it for me. I'm not a Celtics fan. Shout out to you Celtics fans. You guys might get lucky and win your 18th one this year. Lakers might be stuck at 17. That'll be crazy though if the Celtics do win this year, because this kind of looks like a championship shoe. You know, it has the gold, it has the suede all around it, the 4-leaf clover, just like the Boston Celtics. I know Jason Tatum is a huge sneakerhead. I wouldn't doubt if he has these already or he will get them. That's just my opinion. I'll post it if I'm right. I'm damn sure I'm gonna be right. Enough talking. We're gonna start off with the outsole, gum bottom outsole. Again, another nice touch. I was never really a huge fan of gum bottom outsoles back in the day, but they have grown on me. You have your Nike SB in the middle there in green, and then the rest is just that nice gum bottom. Midsole, white midsole going all around the sneaker. And like I said, it's a nice touch with the white clover and the white laces. So if I'm gonna wear these, I am gonna wear the white laces on both. I just left the green so you guys can see how it comes factory, because they both came with the green laces. But yeah, and like I was saying, you have the nice gold metallic Nike swoosh. Kind of has a mirror effect. They remind me a lot of the Sean Clivers. That Nike swoosh, man, is just so reminiscent of this one. It might even be the same exact one. Yeah, you guys can see there, both Nike swooshes have that similar reflectiveness to it. I also won these at home base. Celtic green is fire. I love these. I still haven't worn them. I just can't bring myself to wearing these. They're just so clean. It's like a trophy piece. I might wear them one day, you know, for a special occasion, but I rarely go out. So this shoe right here is magnificent. You have your Nike embroidered in the back there, nice stitched work. And the whole shoe is made up of this premium suede. I love this suede. You know, it's not like that sandpaper suede that we saw on the black military 4s. And yeah, I like suede like this because it lasts a long time. You can beat it up. These are Nike SBs, so they're obviously meant for skateboarding, so these can take a beating. And yeah, man, suede all over the tongue. You usually see like a nylon tongue, but it's all suede throughout the tongue there. You guys can see the toe box. Everything is suede on this shoe. Everything except the swoosh and obviously the embroidered work. Then you have Nike SB there on the tongue. Yeah, guys, you guys let me know, white laces or green laces? Which one are you guys rocking with? Let me show you guys the insole of this sneaker as well. At first when I saw this, I thought that the air was chopped off there, you know, like somebody wore it and that little print thing just came off, but it's not. You have your Zoom Air unit right here. Resale on these right now, you're looking at like $230, $250. A lot more skate shops have been getting them in. Like I said, there were some late shipments. So that's why the resale prices was kind of everywhere. I know like a month or two ago, no, probably like 3 months ago, these were like around 800 bucks, and now they all the way down to 250. I was able to pick these up for retail. Again, shout out home base. Appreciate you guys. And yeah, man, super clean shoe. Cannot complain. Resale is not that high up there, so if you guys wanted to scoop these up, $250 is not honestly a bad price for a nice green looking shoe with a gold swoosh on it. You know what I mean? Like I said, I compared it to the Clevers. The Clevers are up there in resale. So yeah, maybe these will go back up again, but for now, they're at $250. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.